So we caught 2 walleyes. I think one of them was actually a sauger, but that's all we had was those 2 little fish. And now we got the hot stove bumping. We're cooking up some food. Got some venison burgers, some potatoes, and some beanie weenies. So we had to defrost, you guys. That's why it might still look kind of crappy. It's because it's nicely cold out. So camera gear don't work too good in the cold. Is that good heat?
I think so, yeah.
I can put more in there.
If you hear thunder, it's not actually thunder.
It's just the stupid ice.
His ice is the loudest ice I've ever heard.
I'm gonna taste that burnt.
No.
Yum, yum, yum. Oh, we need now some cheese and some bacon on them bitches. We do have bacon, but not a lot of
For
it.
tomorrow.
We're gonna make some.
I'll assist you.
Tomorrow we're making egg and bacon bagels. Sounds good. I think I gotta put another one on here. Give me a plate, quick.
Oh, those are the only 2 we have, I think.
There's 4 of them.
My baby weenies.
Want to eat it out of a pot? Yeah, give me that shit. No, that.
Cup. Fucking cup. I don't like beans, otherwise I have them. I'll get a roaring. Yeah, hit your leg.
Just fucking chop your leg off.
That's probably good. A little warm.
Really good.
This is how you cook a beanie weenie. You gotta cut out the bad parts. Can't eat the bad parts.
Them's are yucky.
And quiet down out there.
We're
Cooking with never get a Ford Fusion stuck gang. No such thing as stuck.
car.
Yeah, I had specific instructions not to take it on the ice because I was gonna get stuck. And I was like, no, I ain't getting stuck. Pontiac V6, boy. It's got a V6. They go through anything. We get to the spot. Oh, what? I think it's time to go. Nice, we did that.
It did fine on the way up.
Yeah, we got out there just fine. I was like, damn, this is easy. Tried to leave. Nah, ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, bro.
He's like, I got a plow in the front of my four-wheeler. Let me push you. Boy, you're gonna crack it all up. What do you mean?
Benny Burger. Pretty god darn good, huh? But Reese cooked it up for me. Cooking away on the stove.
I only burnt myself once so far. One burger, one burn. Hopefully that's not
There's the burn. Ooh, yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a night. Had some good food, caught some fish, had fun, and it's actually pretty warm in here. I think it's supposed to be a low of like 18 degrees tonight.
Yeah.
So it's not like super bad, but it's also not warm, so hopefully we can keep the fire going all night. If not, I guess we're gonna have to rely on our sleeping bags. And yeah, I guess we'll see you guys in the morning. Oh yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'm tired, exhausted, cut myself in a few spots, so I'm aching a little bit, and it was a long day. We struggled to find a spot to be able to do this, and I had to have Reese push me out of a couple hills with my car. Yeah, it was a crazy day, so. But once we got on a roll, we got her done, so. We wouldn't be where we are right now without hard work. They say the biggest work was probably getting all the wood. But
yeah, it took a while.
we actually didn't even fish like that long, probably like an hour.
Something like that.
But
it'll be better tomorrow.
yeah. Alright, we're gonna call it a night. Stay tuned for day 2. We're gonna do some fishing and pack this up, make some breakfast and all kinds of stuff, so stay tuned for that. That'll be in episode 2, so good night. Hey, what is up, folks? Just woke up. It's about probably 7 o'clock. Got the stove going again. We're gonna cook up some eggs here, and then I clean up camp a little bit. I'm gonna do some fishing. Depends on how sore we're feeling. Really, my shoulder still is really sore. But sleep was all right. You know, the stove only lasts like an hour when we stoke it good, so it kept burning out, and then it actually got pretty chilly for a while there. And then we had some noises and stuff, so I don't know. It wasn't that bad. Tent actually kept us pretty warm and stuff, so it's not bad. Arm's getting tired holding this thing. But I'm gonna go ahead and cook some eggs. He's trying to get the carrot to put his boots on.
I don't know if I could do it. It's so cold.
Here's your sandwich. Got some bacon and stuff on there. It's pretty good. You eat it up. It's good. Good. I'm gonna finish this up, and we'll kind of break everything down and then go fishing. So, yeah, cool beans. Yeah. We used to say in middle school, we were little chumps. Struggle is real. Well, folks, we didn't didn't catch anything here in the morning. It's pretty cold. Our holes are always freezing and stuff, and my graph battery just died, so we're pretty much blind in the water. And the ice is super thick, probably like, what do you say, like 10 inches or something?
10, 11 inches.
10, 11 inches. People are bringing their snowmobiles, UTVs, you name it out here. No cars, but vehicles. And we brought a hand auger, so you can imagine our arms are getting pretty sore trying to find these fish. So we're just gonna call it a day. I mean, we caught 2 fish yesterday, which was pretty fun. And really, that was just our goal, was to catch something. So we're gonna pack up the tent now and get everything stowed away, and then take to the car and see if we run into some issues there. We're parked on a hill. My car sucks at getting up snowy hills, and we're gonna see what happens. So stay tuned. Alrighty folks, we are done here. We got our stuff all packed up in the sled. And this is where we were camping, right here. It's a big bald spot. We cleaned everything up. We left a thing of firewood right there for if anybody else tries to camp here. And they got some wood. And yeah, cleaned it up as best as we could. Had a good time, and now we gotta get off the island, head home. So, wish we could have caught some more fish, but that's why they call it fishing, not catching. So, me and Reese are gonna head out now. We got a little walk ahead of us, so let's get out of here. Well, here goes nothing. We got all our stuff in the car. You can tell we're on a hill right here. Let's see what happens. We gotta get out of here somehow. Alrighty folks, for Fusion, got her done. So without further ado, this is gonna be the end. Camera lens is fogging up, so sorry about that. But yeah, we had a good time. Did a lot of cool stuff. If you guys would like to see more of this, it's gonna be pretty common on my YouTube channel now. I'd like to do this type of stuff. It's pretty cool, and I want to inspire you guys up to go out and do cool things in nature as well.